How do you zoom in and zoom out in Google Slides? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the two distinct methods to make your slide or make your Google Slides document to appear smaller or bigger. But first, let me clarify that the first method is basically we are going to make the appearance of this slide canvas to be smaller or bigger. And the second method is going to cover about making the interface like this menu and also the thumbnails and these buttons to be bigger or smaller depending on your setting. So let me show you the first method. Let's go to the view menu, click zoom menu, and then you can select the level of the zoom level of this slide. By default it's going to be fit, but you can make it bigger or smaller. Let me let's say make it bigger to 150%. It's not that much. And let's go to the zoom menu again and make it to be 75%. So that's the result that we got. And of course, again, it's not changing anything other than this slide canvas itself. Everything else still look the same. And if you want to make the interface to look bigger or smaller, then you have to use a different type of setting. We are going to modify the setting on the browser itself. Click on this menu, and then you will see there is a section called zoom. You can make it smaller, or you can also make it bigger by pressing on this button. By the way, you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and plus or Ctrl and minus to change the zoom level of the page. So yeah, that's basically how you can zoom in and zoom out in Google Slides. I hope you find this video helpful.